welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate pages on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I am on the Wix website editor right here. So if I want to duplicate a page, what I can do is I can click on this pages and menu right here. So on my pages in menu, I have here the home, reviews, shop, item, coming soon, and general. So for example, I want to duplicate this reviews right here. Just click on this three dots right here. Then in here, you should be able to see the option for duplicate. So click on duplicate right here. And then in here, you can create multiple pages based on this layout. You can make this page dynamic or you can also just duplicate this page. Just click on this duplicate page. And then once you have clicked on that, it will be able to see in here the copy of reviews that you have duplicated. So as you can see, we have reviews and copy of reviews. It will also reflect on our navigation panel. So in here, it will also open this right here. So in here, we should be able to see this reviews and the copy of reviews that we have duplicated. So just rename this one if you want. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to duplicate a page on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.